welcome back to my channel. So today was actually my very first requested video. I was requested by a friend of mine to make a video on a quick 5-minute get ready. A get ready with me that anybody can do, that I actually did before I started doing full face. I truly cut so many corners out of my makeup routine this morning. I have no concealer on. I have no translucent powder on. This entire look can be achieved in 10 minutes or less. So, here's Cheryl. This one's for you. Hope you guys like it. If you like me, you like my videos, you want to keep seeing more, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Hello, everybody. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be going in with a primer. I actually found this primer at the Dollar General, and I find it to be kind of like a dupe for the NYX Poreless Putty Primer that I use all the time. So I'm actually going to do a dupe video here shortly because the NYX Putty Primer is supposed to be a dupe for the Benefit Professional Primer. So it would be like the dupe's dupe. So I think that would be interesting to do. If you have any dupes that you like or you would like me to try out that you've heard of, comment down below and I will definitely do that. Right now I'm just applying my Becca foundation. I've already done a wear test on that and I've shown you all how much I love it. So I did a quick foundation on that and then I'm covering it up with my Clinique double pressed super powder in the color Matte Honey. Normally I'm a matte medium, but this time I'm going up a little bit darker since I do have to tan for my psoriasis. My skin is a deeper shade of tan. Now, if you are looking for a super fast, this powder that I'm putting on right now can also be used as a powder foundation. So you could skip the whole liquid foundation. All you would have to do is put this on your face. I swear it will cover everything and you'll be really happy with it. So that will save you about 5 minutes right there. Next, the simplest way to do your eyes, if you're trying to get out the door, I am using a Stila liquid eyeshadow. You can use any cream eyeshadow, any liquid eyeshadow you can get drugstore. Maybelline has some good ones in a little pot, and it's so simple. You just apply it. It goes over very smoothly, and it helps anybody who has like aging skin or texture or wrinkles in their eyes. It fills in everything. So this is a 30-second step. I am just using my blending brush to blend it out. Once it's dried a little bit, it makes it look a little bit smoother so it doesn't look like you just painted your eyelid. I did add one extra little color in the corner, the outer corner, because that does give the eye some depth and dimension. You do not have to do this, but if you have a nice little shadow, just a shade darker than the one that you chose for your liquid eyeshadow, look how much it makes my eyes pop now. I've got that depth, that dimension, and it's looking flawless. So after I apply that color on the outer corner, I'm just going to blend it out again with a clean, fluffy blending brush, and that will be it for the eye look. Moving on to eyeliner, I will be applying my liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal in the color Black. I really don't think this is optional, and if you're going to make your eyes pop, you really should use a liquid on the top of your lid. If you're not used to using a liquid and you're a beginner, try to get a felt tip pen. It's way easier to draw on the top of your lid, getting close to your lash line, but this is a definite. It only takes 30 seconds, and with time, you will get better at it. It will be easier and easier. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. pencil. I prefer typically to use a waterproof eyeliner on the lower lash line because as you go on throughout the day, your eyes water, you sweat, the outer corners of your eyes will tend to get a little bit smeared. I find myself wiping away so much eyeliner in the outer corner of my eyes that by the end of the day, I only have eyeliner on the inner portion of my eye. So to avoid that, use a waterproof eyeliner. After curling your lashes, which will again open up your eyes and make your eyes look bigger, go ahead and apply your mascara. I am using my Clinique mascara that I got as a freebie in a little gift bag. Like every 6 months or so, they give away a free gift bag full of different Clinique goodies, along with a purchase of, I guess, $30 or more. Don't quote me on that. But at any rate, I have just applied mascara on my top and bottom lash line. I really struggle with getting mascara on my lower lashes. I don't really have long lower lashes to make anything work, but do your best. It works. Moving on to lips, I like to line my lips with my Buxom lip lining pencil. This is optional. You don't have to line your lips, but I like to because, as I've mentioned many times before in previous videos, I have a non-existent upper lip and I would like to make it as full as possible. After you line your lips, go ahead and add your favorite lipstick. Mine is by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Honey. To add a little bit of moisture to your lips after using your lipstick, just top it off with any lip gloss that you choose. And with a little iMovie magic, voila, I have lashes. So this step is absolutely optional, but if you'd like to kick your look up a notch, add some yourself. Finally, spray your face with your favorite setting spray. Anyone will do. I like to pat over it with my beauty blender just to make sure everything's nice and smooth and looking perfect before I go out for the day. And that is it. If you would like to add a little something extra, just a little icing on the cake just to say, go ahead and grab your favorite highlighter. Mine is from Maybelline, and you can find this for $3 or $4 at any Walmart or any drugstore. Take a blending brush, top off a little bit of highlight right over your cheekbones where you would apply your blush, and it gives you just that perfect little sparkle. So that is it for this Get Ready With Me. I'm really happy that you checked out this video. I hope you can take these tips and find a great look that works for you in 10 minutes or less. Thanks for joining me. Bye.